What up, y'all? I'm Dre. This is my 2014 Camaro ZL1. I just bought it from a guy in West Virginia maybe 2 months ago now. I fucking love it. It's got bolt-on stuff done to it now. Just a little introduction. About to go in detail what's done to the car now. So, this car's got 34,000 miles on it right now. It's a full bolt-on. It's got the BTR Stage 3 cam. It's got all the preventative LSA stuff you could probably do to LSA, like the isolator and the reinforced brick. Those are known to fail on GM on LSA motors. The brick is the intercooler basically for the blower. It's just right underneath there. Sometimes from the factory they're known to cave in and rupture, and then they'll end up, pouring coolant right into the motor. I ain't saw some pictures of that right now. And also the isolator, especially the thing that inside of the snout. The stock one is a spring, which is known to fail and rattle around the blower. It can cause blower damage. Also, it has an aftermarket lower pulley right there. It's got headers. It's got Dershworks 95-pound injectors. And also has aftermarket heat exchanger. I don't know if I can see that or not. That's right there. You can kind of see it behind the thing. You can kind of see it right there. That's also aftermarket. It's also this aftermarket coolant expansion tank right here as well. That's all pretty much for the motor. It's got no cats, and it's also got the factory exhaust, which surprisingly it don't sound like it. Sounds like a straight pipe. Other than that, sitting on stock springs, stock suspension. It's got 18x5 4-star drag wheels. I like them. 18x5s in the front and 17x10s in the back. It's sitting on some Race Master M&H's right now. A lot of people aren't big fans of these. They've done me well. I haven't really tried them out from a dig yet, but on the highway at 40 miles an hour, I think dead hooks. And even chicken strips the road. I got a set of Mickey Thompson ET Street Arts at the house. I'm probably gonna put those on in the next few days. Other than that, this car is pretty much ready for the next level. The guy I bought it from, he's really sad to let it go. Actually, I still talk to him to this day, and he still checks up on the car and wants to know how it's doing, wants to see how it runs. I live in Navarre, Florida. It's like northwest Florida, where it's almost like residual Alabama, and I have a drag strip maybe 20 minutes away from me. It's supposed to be holding a testing tune tonight. They usually hold it on Fridays and Tuesdays, but it's supposed to rain tonight. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. You know how Florida is. The weather kind of sucks here sometimes, but we'll see if it does get rained out. If it does, it's whatever. But it's also supposed to be a Cars and Coffee tomorrow morning, but I don't see that happening because it's supposed to rain really hard tomorrow. But if it doesn't, then I might go to it. If not, then I'm pretty sure the Destin one is next Saturday. So if I miss this one, there's another one next week. So it's not a big deal. I also got these 6th gen inspired Hero LED lights. They're pretty sweet. They got these sequential turning signals, and they kind of like 6th gen tail lights. But I like them.
2 weeks later.
All right, we out here at the track. We're at out here in Holt, Florida. At a little testing tune. There's a lot of cars out here, kind of. It's still kind of early. I started at 12, from 12 to 6. If y'all out here in the northwest Florida area, this track's pretty decent. This is the second time I've been here. I ain't really been here nothing crazy. So this could be the first time me having a car out to the track. Like I said, I bought this car about a month ago. Haven't really ran it on the street a couple times, but I ain't really got into it, laid into it too hard. So it's the first time at the track. We're just gonna see what it is, get some baseline stuff before I actually put my own little twist on it. Cause like I said, this car's got bolt-ons. I got put new tires on it yesterday. This is running a 305 45 17 Mickey Thompson ET Street R. I like these. I've had really good luck with these tires. I'm a pretty big fan of them. This shit got the nibbles on. These still some pretty virgin tires. They ain't even got any kind of stickiness on it yet, but we'll get that taken care of later today. So yeah, it's waiting on some more cars to show up. Wait for the sun to go down a little more. Then we'll start getting some test hits in. So we'll see where it goes. Alright, so we had a good day at the track. We got the car to go 7.3, pretty consistently, which is pretty good. I mean, I think it's pretty decent for what's done to it. First time having the car at the track. Earlier in the day, where I was having a little issues with, since these are brand new tires, they had get broken in a little bit. I broke them in with a burnout. The first few times, they wasn't very sticky, but now, for the nights, they're broken in with a few burnouts on them. Made about 4 or 5 passes, The best time I got for the day was a 7.1. That was right before I left. It was when it was already nighttime, so that's right when they typically run the best pass, when the sun's down and it's actually cold weather. It's about 55 degrees out right now. And yeah. So I'm pretty impressed with it so far. We'll see where it goes from here. I got some plans for it. We'll try getting the 6s. I'm still learning the car. Honestly, this is my first time taking it to the track, so still learning how long to do burnouts for, and paddle shifting and letting it go in sport. I'm still experimenting with all that stuff. A couple passes I ran with just sport. A couple passes I ran in manual mode, so I'm not sure which one's faster, because like I said, my burnouts are pretty inconsistent today, and I'm just trying to figure out the car pretty much. So we'll try to take it to the track next weekend and see where it goes. Then from there, we'll determine. I still haven't really picked the tuner yet. I want to get the car tuned by somebody out here and get some advice on where to go next, because like I said, it's basically a bolt-on car, and it's pretty much ready for port work and ready for it to get turned up. So we'll see where it goes from here, man. We'll